Hi, my name is Ilya, and in this video I wanted to show you several tricks that you can use in order for you to increase your productivity in various situations where some inspections are required. So in this case we use an example of the property inspection where you have a cleaning team from one side and then there is a property owner or a manager from the other side, and what happens is you create a workflow where the team needs to fill a form, and this form can be a QR code put into your property that they can scan with the phone and just fill it in on the mobile. But most importantly, they need to submit the photos of the work that has been done. And here what happens is once the task arrives to your Asana project, we check the photos that these are the photos from the property, and then if they are from the property, we assume that everything is fine, but later on you can always check that. But if they are not from the property or something is wrong with the photo, we put them into a section called to check. That means it is manually required to have a look what's going on. Maybe some photos are bad or something, they submitted wrong photos. In order for us to have the history of the operation, so whatever complaints comes, we can always go back and see what happened. And the more data you collect about your work operations, the more possibilities you have in future by using Bitskout to build more customized algorithms. So in this case, so let's submit the form. So let's submit one form where the photos are fine. Let's say, yeah, and then let's put a date. There are no extra comments. Let me submit photos from the villa that I have prepared the AI model for. Then I will submit it, and then I will submit test, and then I will submit the wrong photos to demonstrate you how the system is reacting on different situations. Okay, let's add this photo. So I'm adding here totally non-relevant photos to this task, and let's submit this form. So both tasks will appear here. We're using Flowsana additionally to assign a tag once the task is submitted, because in this case the tag is a connector to a Bitskout workflow. It allows us to work with free accounts, and once we have a tag, we mark the task complete automatically, and that is the trigger for the workflow to be executed. Now what happens is that we're checking those photos. The AI is checking those photos and comparing, is that the photos of the property we're expecting or not. Same thing will happen here, and depending on the decision, then the results will be either routed to approved, it means everything is fine, or they will be routed to check, where it means that I will need to have a look manually on those tasks. So let's wait for a moment for it to happen. So now, as you can see, we got approved tag. It means everything is fine, and now the task will be automatically routed to approved section, where we will store the log of all the operations that happen, which will provide the history of what was going on and how in this case cleaning operation happened. So in case of any complaint, you can always go back and see the result, see what happened there. And in case the task is rejected, it will get a rejected flag and will be moved automatically. So as you can see, it's rejected and will be moved automatically to a section to check, which you can configure as a notification to your email. And it means that you probably have to take a look what's going on there. This way you will be informed when the problem happens, instead of you constantly monitoring each and every task to happen. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, that the task was rejected, and then it was moved here, and the previous task, that one was approved. Okay, so everything is fine. So these automations you can build today. Thanks a lot for your time.